Hello students, today I am going to discuss loans, short, medium term and long term. We know there is three types of loan: short term, medium term and long term. In this diagram you see loans are short terms, medium term, long term. Other things are there: cash credit, overdraft, bill purchase and discounted. Now bank loan are the easiest source of availing finances, and a bank loan is extension of credit by bank to a customer or a business houses. It has to be paid along with interest. Remember that thing. It has to be, that bank loan has to be paid along with interest. यानी 1 लाख का बैंक लोन मैंने लिया है विथ 10,000 मेरा इंटरेस्ट होगा. तो ये लोन है, लोन अमाउंट है, इसके साथ ये है इंटरेस्ट वैल्यू. ओके. इसके बाद व्हाट आर द फीचर्स ऑफ बैंक लोन. बैंक लोन हैव द फॉलोइंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. ए बैंक लोन मे बी either secured or unsecured depending upon the circumstances. The interest charged by bank on such a loan may be either at fixed rate or a variable rate. Here fixed rate and variable rate means, fixed rate means ये साल बैंक का लोन है 10%, सोचो कि 8% ये बैंक का लोन है इस साल का, ये लोन के ऊपर इंटरेस्ट. ठीक है. मगर ये वेरिएबल अगर होगा तो अकॉर्डिंग टू सिचुएशन, जैसे कि अभी कोविड सिचुएशन चल रहा है, उस समय बैंक का लोन का जो इंटरेस्ट है वो थोड़ा सा ऊपर हो गया है. तो ये चीज़ याद रखना, इंटरेस्ट ऑन बैंक लोन शुड बी फ्लक्चुएट और शुड बी फिक्स्ड. इफ मॉर्गेज लोन इज टू बी ऑब्टेन्ड, द बोरोवर हैज़ टू पे द नंबर ऑफ फीस सच एज टाइटल सर्चिंग फीस, एप्लीकेशन फीस, inspection fees. Okay. Now advances of bank loan. What are the advances? A loan can be easily pursued. Advantages. The loan can be easily procured. The loan can be used for short term as well as medium term financing. That interest paid by the bank is tax deductible expenditure of a business entity. ये इसका मतलब क्या है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई भी लोन लेने के बाद अगर तुम बैंक का लोन नहीं लेते हो उस समय टैक्स थोड़ा सा तुम्हें देना पड़ेगा, मगर बैंक लोन दे रहे हो तो उसके ऊपर टैक्स डिडक्शन तुम्हें मिल जाएगा, यानी इनकम टैक्स के ऊपर, यानी तुम्हारा सर्विस टैक्स के ऊपर टैक्स डिडक्शन मिल जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट आर द डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ बैंक लोन. सम बैंक लोन्स आर कैरी प्री पेमेंट पेनल्टी. प्री पेमेंट पेनल्टी यानी बैंक लोन को ठीक तरीके से नहीं दे पाओगे उस समय पेनल्टी तुम लोगों को लग सकता है. नेक्स्ट, बोरिंग टू मच फ्रॉम बैंक कैन लीड टू इंक्रीज इन इंटरेस्ट burden and hence decrease cash flow. Okay, so that's why this is one of the another issue. In most cases the bank does not disburse the whole amount of loan apply for it. It often grants loan cash lower than the loan asked for. Okay, next one is classification. Basically 1 year से नीचे up to 1 year तक ये तुम्हारा शॉर्ट टर्म लोन है. 1 ईयर से 5 ईयर्स तक मीडियम टर्म लोन. ओके. मोर देन 5 ईयर्स इज कॉल्ड ए लॉन्ग टर्म लोन. सो 1 ईयर और लेस देन 1 ईयर शॉर्ट टर्म, 1 ईयर टू 5 ईयर मीडियम टर्म, मोर देन 5 ईयर लॉन्ग टर्म. ओके. सो ये है तुम्हारा लोन का एम. नेक्स्ट है शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स फॉर कॉर्पोरेट. कॉर्पोरेट के क्या है, देखो कॉर्पोरेट के लिए लोन्स शॉर्ट टर्म, मीडियम टर्म ये हो गया. तो लोन जो है वो तुम्हारा कॉर्पोरेट्स के लिए शॉर्ट टर्म फैसिलिटीज आर पेएबल विद इन ए ईयर. वर्किंग कैपिटल लोन्स, डिसऑनर्ड ऑफ प्री शिपमेंट लोन्स, कैश क्रेडिट अकाउंट्स, बिल डिस्काउंटिंग लिमिटेड will be there. Non-funded facilities like letter of credit, bank guarantees are there. Okay. Next one is bank loan, bank term loans for corporates, repayable over a period of 5 to 7 years. That loan required for meeting the capital expenditure. Okay. Next, repayment structure depend on the projected future cash flows of the corporate borrowers. Next, foreign currency loans are also granted for the above purpose. Okay. Next one is short-term loans. What are the short-term loans? The short-term loans are designed for the shorter repayment duration. Short-term loans are to be repaid quickly and may be provided for any purpose including educational expenses, home improvement, auto repairs, clearing smaller debts, etc. Advantages of short-term loans are there. There are various advantages like short-term loans do not usually require collateral. Short-term loans are granted in several days or even in retail hours. Short-term loans require little paperwork. That short-term loans provide money when one feels sudden unexpected need. With short-term borrowers does not burden himself with long-term obligations. Next one is disadvantage of short-term loans. Short-term loans are usually more expensive because the time period is less than the medium term and the long term. That's why that expenditure or expenses of the short-term loan is very high. The lender of the short-term loan here, lender means जो loan ले रहा है, the lender of short-term loans is likely to investigate the credit history. Short-term loans are granted for smaller amount. Okay, so ये हो गया. Next है term loan. Term loan, features of the term loan. The term loan is equal to written here. The term loan is a part of debt financing obtained from the bank and financial institutions. The basic features of term loan, here the basic features. Here the basic features of the term loan written here. The term loans are secured loans. Assets which are forced will be finance. Assets which are financed through term loans serve as a primary security. Okay. Obligation is there. Interest payment and repayment of principal on term loans is obligatory. And what is the interest? The term loan carry fixed rate interest which is negotiated between the borrowers and the lenders. Here the borrowers means we are the borrower if we take loan from bank. Here lender means the bank is the lender. Okay, so you have to repayment that loans. Next one is restrictive convenience that things beside asset security, the lender of the term loan imposes other restrictive convenience. Also, example, lender asks the borrower to maintain minimum asset fees. So that is the restrictive convenience. Okay. Advantage of term loan here from the point of view of borrower: cheap, tax benefit, flexible, control. I think you everyone know. I think cheap means that cheap sources of medium financing. Tax benefit means obviously that deductible tax should be there. The interest payment on the term loan is tax deductible. Interest payment on term loan is tax deductible. Next is flexible. The term loan are negotiable loans between the borrowers and the lenders. Okay. Actually, if the COVID situation is not there, then मैं तुम लोगों के साथ कुछ प्रैक्टिकल कुछ बात कर पाता तो अच्छा होता तुम लोगों के साथ. जो होगा, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होगा वो चीज़ स्कूल ओपन होने के बाद, ये डेफिनेटली स्कूल ओपन होने के बाद हम लोग ये देख लेंगे और विदिन 2 और 3 मंथ्स के अंदर ये ओपन हो जाएगा. आई थिंक स्कूल, ये होपफुल है हम लोग. ठीक है. इसके बाद कंट्रोल देखो from the point of view of the lender. Here secured, regular income is there, conversion is there. Secured means that term loan should be secured. Okay. Regular income means it is obligatory on the part of the borrower to pay the interest and repayment of the principal irrespective of the financial positions. Next, conversion. Financial institution may insist of conversion of the term loan into the equity. Okay. तो ये चीज़ याद रखो. तो ये भी सिंपल बात है. जो इम्पोर्टेंट है वो टर्म लोन क्या था वो इम्पोर्टेंट था. इसके बाद है कैश क्रेडिट. नाउ ओवरड्राफ्ट एंड कैश क्रेडिट आर वाइडली यूज्ड एक्सटर्नल सोर्सेस ऑफ फिनांसेस for availing short-term borrowing at some cost. Both cash credit and overdraft are used by business to manage short-term working capital requirement. However, they differ on various aspects which include nature of account, charges and fees, amount, purpose, types of security, use of funds, interest rate, etc. Both these facilities are repayable on demand and therefore classified as sources of finance payable. Cash credit in simple word is a overdraft. Okay, कैश को क्रेडिट कर रहा है, सिंपल वर्ड. क्रेडिट यानी बाकी, कैश यानी तुम्हारे हाथ में जो पैसा है. बोथ कैश क्रेडिट एंड ओवरड्राफ्ट आर यूज्ड फॉर बिजनेस पर्पसेस. सो ये तुम लोग को अभी थोड़ा मोड़ा समझ में आ ही गया. Generally, the facility given to the industrial business customers are known as cash credit, CC, जिसको हम लोग CC बोलेंगे. Okay, account in which stock, raw material, work in progress, finished goods lying in the godown is taken as the security by the bank. In a CC account, the bank fixes a drawing power for borrower, which is usually 75% to 80% of the values of stock and books debt that is as declared by the borrower in a prescribed format periodically. The bank conducts periodical surprise checks in a godown of borrower to ensure that borrowers declares the quantity and value of the stock accurately and maintains the acceptable level of financial disciplines. Features of cash credit. What are the features? This loan is given to meet the working capital requirement of a company. It is given against collateral security. Interest is charged only the amount loan available by the customer is there. Okay, advantage of cash credit. What are the advantages? It is important source of working capital financing. Cash credit can be obtained very easily and quickly. Interest is charged only on the utilized amount. Okay, so cash credit is there. Disadvantage of cash credit. Cash credit has the following disadvantage. The rate of interest charged by the lender loan on cash credit is very high. Such loan is granted by bank on the basis of company's turnover, its financial status, value of inventory, etc. So it is difficult to for new and financially weak companies to obtain cash credit. So this is the main disadvantage for that cash credit. For bank, cash credit disturbs their cash planning as cash inflow and cash outflow remain unchanged and depend upon the borrower and convenience to the need. Okay, so ये हो गया तुम लोगों का कैश क्रेडिट के बारे में थोड़ा मोड़ा एडवांटेज और डिसएडवांटेज. ना ओवरड्राफ्ट क्या है? लोन आर रीपेबल विद इन ए डेफिनिट एग्रीमेंट पीरियड. ओके, ये हम लोग जानते हैं. They may be repayable in a periodic installment, also monthly, quarterly, half yearly, annually, as agreed to the with the bank. An overdraft facility always is open-ended facility. Normally, the limit will be initially sanctioned for a period of 1 year and rolled over after a review by the bank of the facility utilized by the borrower. Bank charges interest on the actual amount utilized by the borrower. Okay, so overdraft facility is very important. Now, what are the features? Approved credit limit, repayable on demand at any time, no minimum monthly payment, joint borrower allowed. Okay, so approved credit limit means every overdraft facility has approved credit limit. Credit limit means तुम कितना लोन ले सकते हो उसका भी लिमिट होना चाहिए, वो क्रेडिट लिमिट है. रिपेबल ऑन डिमांड एट एनी टाइम वो डिमांड कर सकता है जैसे कि ले रहे हो. नो मिनिमम मंथली पेमेंट का कोई भी मिनिमम वैल्यू नहीं है. जॉइंट बोरोवर अलाउड विल बी देयर. नाउ व्हाट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ ओवरड्राफ्ट? फ्लेक्सिबल एंड क्विक. एंड ओवरड्राफ्ट इज देयर व्हेन यू नीड इट and cost nothing apart from possibly a small fee. When you do not, it allows you to make essential repayment and helps to maintain cash flow. You only need to borrow what you need at that time. Now, quick. That overdraft facility is easy and quick arrange, providing good and cash flow become. Disadvantage of overdraft cost is there. Recall unless the specific in the terms conditions, the bank can recall the entire overdraft at any time. It may be happen you fail to make other payments, or if you have broken terms and conditions. Security overdraft may be secured by the assets which put them at risk if you cannot meet repayment. Okay, cash credit and overdraft facility. Account requirement is there, security requirement is there, limit sanctioning rationale is there, end use is there, length of credit period is there. Account requirement, one need to usually open a separate cash credit account with a bank. Overdraft can be availed on the existing current account. Okay, so existing current account के ऊपर overdraft facility आता है cash credit में, वो usually open a separate cash account. Company inventory and receivables are usually taken as a security for allowing cash credit. Company's inventory and receivables are usually taken. Inventory क्या है और receivables क्या है, तुम लोगों के साथ नेक्स्ट जो तुम्हारा चैप्टर है उसमें बात करूँगा. वे एसेट की तरह ही है, दोनों एसेट ही है एज ए सिक्योरिटी. The overdraft facility does not necessarily require current asset as security. An overdraft facility may be extended by taking shares and other investment like FDs, insurance policies and securities. Limit sanctioning rationale. Limit is usually a percentage of stocks and receivables. Limit is usually allotted taking into consideration the asset collateralized and also on the basis of financial statements of the company. Length of credit period. Cash credit is usually for a short period. Overdraft facility is usually very short duration at any time can be there. Next one, limits availability. Cash credit withdrawal limit keeps changing with the change in the amount of current asset kept as a security. Withdrawal limit from the cash credit facility is called drawing power. The amount of the overdraft limit that the customer get remains constant since limit sanctions is not based on the current assets. However, if OD यानी overdraft facility is against shares, insurance policy and surrender values, the limit change based on the underlying security value of periodical investments. ये अगर नहीं जानते हो ये चीज़ मैं नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में तुम्हारे साथ डिस्कस करूँगा. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज देयर. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट चार्ज्ड under cash credit facility lesser than the under usually charged under the overdraft facility. The rate of interest charged under cash credit facility is lesser than the usually charged under overdraft facility. बोलते कि इसमें the rate of interest charged under overdraft facility is higher than the cash credit facilities. Okay, so ये चीज़ आज का डिस्कशन था. तुम लोग ये अच्छी तरह से देख लेना. ये नेक्स्ट दिन मैं और एक टॉपिक के साथ तुम लोगों के साथ बात करूँगा. ओके, सो इसके लिए इतना ही. बाय.